Hello folks, we have a special care package right here. It's basically my baby. I mean, in here are mods, and we love mods. Smells like money.
What?
We have a surprise for y'all today. These beautiful poly engine mounts. These things look fantastic. Look at that. It's looking beautiful, dude. Get polka dot started for y'all. Maybe we'll name her something new when she starts looking halfway decent. But for now, old Betsy's fucking polka dot. We'll go ahead and pop the hood up, and then we'll go ahead and give you guys some revs to see the engine torquing, just see how it torques with the rubber bushings. And then when we get the poly ones installed, we'll show you how absolutely solid that engine is connected to the frame. That thing is gonna become one with the frame, dude. Like, they're gonna be together for life, forever. Alright, enough of that. Let's go ahead and shut this poor car off. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's crazy. I can even feel, like, when the motor torques, I can feel like it, like, taking the power away for a second, and then it feels like it hits. The proof is in the pudding. You guys just saw the fucking motor moving, so clearly, these rubber mounts just ain't cutting it. We want that thing just flat plane, you know what I'm saying? Flat plane. These are gonna look very nice for whenever I'm under the car, and they're gonna make it, I think it's gonna help with the power transfer. So like when you're coming out a corner, as soon as you hit the throttle, it'll be instantly to the drivetrain instead of torquing the motor and then hitting the drivetrain. It should be more of a solid current straight to the rear of just pure power. Really feel that Miata header, that Miata rice. We're gonna feel it now, baby. That's right. You have to do some sketchy biz and jack up the engine from the oil pan. Looks like our sway bar is holding together pretty good. We got our clapped out TSWs off. Shit, that's like race spec, bro. Them bitches forged. Forged in China. We need new wheels. But damn, wheels be mad expensive, bro. Some TEs. I'm looking at a set of TEs. Ooh, they'd be so nice, dude. 2,500 bones. Just, I might cop them. I don't know. I'm trying to have some like self-control with my money right now. On the Miata, I have not had it, so I need to chill the fuck out. Sway bars are looking dialed, but our engine mount is all the way right there. I'm gonna grub out on my fucking Taco Bell breakfast. We got that Taco Bell breakfast. Mic drop, them shits were gas. Get back to work, otherwise this car's never gonna get done. We're never gonna get to drive it, then I have to work tomorrow. Well, we got the first engine mount out, and holy batakawakas. This next one's gonna be so fudge-locoed. What am I saying? Just it's looking like, and then we got our upgraded bad boy. But ours is honestly not in the worst shape. It's not cracked, so I mean, it definitely could probably be replaced. But I've seen worse, you know. We got the first one in, so now we're gonna go ahead and lower it. Hopefully this thing doesn't fall apart. That would really suck. Completely forgot that these guys are adjustable, so you can adjust like ride height of where the engine sits. So mine were set on like the highest setting, so I just lowered them to like factory, I believe that's what that is in the center. So that should help with that, because when I lowered the car, the engine mount like didn't sit flush. We're gonna go ahead, rip this driver's side out real quick, get our new one in, get that thing tight, and then hopefully this thing lowers back normal and nothing breaks, and we're good to go test drive this bad boy. Buddy. Just gonna need to remove this nut right here, and I should just pull it out. Easy as pie. Here's the other piece. Easy. We got our last engine mount that we have to put in. Hopefully this one goes in pretty easy. It's kind of a different shape. If you don't go in, I'm gonna throw you outside and beat it up. Alright guys, this is where some shit could get fucked up real bad. As soon as I start lowering this, all hell can break loose. How the fuck is that supposed to go in the hole, dude? 4 years later, and I think we're finally gonna have this thing dialed. We're gonna lower it right now, but they sent me the mounts mounted all backwards, so the mounts were flipped. So like, and there's no instructions, so you don't know. So I was just watching videos, and finally I figured out and realized the mounts were supposed to be flipped the other way. Like the brackets need to be unbolted, flipped, bolted. So did that. Hopefully now we'll go. So the word of advice is just check your mounts. Check your mounts before you go in there and start trying to install them. But we're gonna go ahead and lower this thing. Hopefully this will be the last time we lower it. We've raised and lowered this thing at least 15 times. I'm gonna just die if this doesn't work. We are damn near 10 hours deep in this. This is absolutely redonkulous. But we got everything put back together on top of the motor. We literally just have to torque those lower nuts, which you can torque them from anywhere between 42 to 58 pounds. So we're probably just gonna max that shit out with 58. You already know the vibes. We don't want this thing falling apart now, do we? Oh, dude. This has been ridiculous. This has been a war. Like, dude, I almost gave the Miata a new paint job, dude. This thing was about to be straight silk. With all this talking, let's just get these last two nuts freaking tightened down, and then let's get this thing on the ground and let's take this thing for a drive to the gym. Ah, am I weak or what, dude? Holy fuck. I think I'm just weak sauce. Okay. Whoo! Golly! We got the Miata completely put back together. At least I'm pretty sure we do. I guess we'll find that out when we go to turn the key. But wheels are back on, torqued, everything's torqued, so everything should be dialed. We're gonna go ahead and fire this thing up for you guys to show you guys the difference between stock, those rubber stock engine mounts versus these poly engine mounts. We can definitely tell from that. It definitely made quite a difference. It's definitely not like, it's still like torques a little bit. It feels nice inside. I didn't know what they meant by the VHR or NHR, noise, or no, NVR, noise vibration, or NVH, noise vibration. I don't fucking know. NV something. But yeah, you can definitely feel it in your seat. It kind of vibrates a little more in the pedals. You feel more connected with the car. I now understand. I was kind of worried about that, like if it was gonna just kind of feel like dog water. But no, dude, it feels good. You feel more connected with the car for sure. We're unfortunately having to film on this shiitake phone because, dude, Canon G7X's suck, bro. The batteries and the overheating issues with those things is insane. But anyways, we just got back from work. Hopping in the Miata right now to freaking, well, we're gonna go to the gym, but also to test out the engine mounts for you guys. Because, yeah, I mean, there's really not much to show. It's just one of those mods where there's just, you know, it doesn't do much. Cold start! Oh my god! Wildin'. It's actually a decent day. I was working like 7 miles away. Fucking dumping there. Here, it's beautiful. Wild. Yeah. Keep forgetting I can't show you guys the outside of the car because we did something and it's kind of a surprise for another video. Oh, it sounds so bad, dude. I'm gonna have to wrap this thing. Paint's gonna be fucked. We are just currently cruising, and you know, I will say, it rides a lot nicer. You can kind of feel the vibration in the steering wheel. It feels real nice. I like it. Kind of feel it in the ass cheeks too. That's pretty nice. But I mean, overall, it's really not a huge difference. It's one of those mods that's just like, it's good to do, you know. It is gonna help it over time, and it's just, I don't know, it's a good mod. I don't really know what to say here. One big thing I've noticed with doing this to the Miata is that before, I don't know why, but when I get up to like right around, I don't know, 55, 60 miles per hour, it would like shake extremely bad, like the whole car would shake. It doesn't do that anymore ever since I put the engine mounts on, so I'm very happy to have figured that out, and the thing just drives so much better. Like on the freeway and like the long trips, dude, the thing's amazing, honestly. And even like poly mounts, I feel like people overhype like it's gonna ride like crap or it's gonna vibrate a lot. Dude, I really don't notice that big of a difference. You only feel the good stuff. I mean, maybe if you went solid mounts, you'd feel the bad stuff, but with this setup, no way, dude. It's perfect. Oh shit, dude. We're getting spicy. Not really. Back from the gym. And I decided, no, it's locked. I decided we need to get this Datsun out the garage. We're not working on it. All it's doing is taking up my beautiful space. So, yeah. We bought a tarp, huge tarp. We're gonna back this thing out, figure out where we're gonna stash it. I still don't know yet. Somewhere where it's can't really be looked at. So, we're gonna have to figure that out. But, yeah. We're gonna have to get this thing out of the garage and then get all under it clean because it's metal everywhere. So, let's get started. Well, the Datsun is completely capsulated for whenever someone finds it in 2265.
I put the new 4Gs on the G.
Just joshing. We'll come back to this at some point. It's taking up space. We're not doing nothing with it right now, so there's no reason for it to be in the garage. And I actually laid down the tarp, as you guys saw, rolled it on, and then folded it completely over. I bought the biggest tarp I could so I could completely wrap it just to keep all the freaking weather out of it. But we'll see how it holds up. I think it'll be all right. It's definitely gonna be better than not wrapping it up. So I'll probably get back to this thing in like a year. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and finish cleaning out the garage. Pull the Miata out, get it all clean under there, and then start organizing. The garage is looking much proper now. Back to how she used to look. I love it. And then we have the Miata right here, but like I said, trying to keep it a secret what we did to the outside, so we can't really show it to you guys for the rest of the video. But check it out. Got the YFZ, the Ducati. If anyone wants Ducati Monster S4R, hit me up. It's for sale. Hope you all enjoyed the engine mount mod. If you're looking to do this on your NB Miata, highly recommend the innovative engine mounts for the NB Miata. They do, guys. It might not be a cool mod because you don't get to see it. It's hidden forever. But I'm telling you guys, it really does improve the feel of the car. So if you're looking for improved feel for like 260, 270 bucks, definitely go with those engine mounts, the poly bushings. Probably wouldn't go solid unless you're full track spec. But yeah, this thing's starting to come together. Besides the paint being absolutely fuckacoed, I'm starting to like the way this car's sitting. I cannot wait to show you guys what we did. We have some actual cosmetic style mods that are going to be coming here soon in a video, so stay tuned. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Please smash that subscribe button. I'll see you fuckers in the next one. Peace.